Hi everyone and welcome back to DidyToys channel. Today I'll show you how to crochet this adorable Kiwi Slice keychain. We've already crocheted quite a lot of keychains together with you. If you missed the previous tutorials, I'll be card with the link somewhere here. You need little yarn, no stuffing, and it takes very little time to create one, so it's perfect if you are just starting to crochet. Let's see what materials and tools you're going to need to crochet one. You'll need 4 colors of yarn, just a little of each. That's yarn or jeans, but you can use any yarn you like. And a crochet hook of a suitable size. I'll use 1.9mm crochet hook. You'll also need scissors to cut the tails, and a sewing needle to weave in the tails and embroider the seeds. And a keychain basis if you want to make it a keychain. We start crocheting from the center, and I'll use ivory color. I'll start by a magic circle. Now I'll crochet 12 half double crochets into the magic circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now I'll pull the tail to tighten the hole, and the first round is ready. Now you need to change the color, and I'll do it into the last stitch of the previous round, so I don't finish the last half double crochet. I attach a new color and finish it. Now I'll crochet the second round, which is 12 increases. That means you need to crochet 2 half double crochets in each stitch around. And I want to fasten the tails in the process. So that's the first half double crochet. Now the second one into the same stitch. That's the first increase. Now the second one. 1. And the second half double crochet into the same stitch. Increase number 3. 1, 2 into the same stitch. Increase number 4. 1, 2 into the same stitch. Increase number 5. 1, 2 into the same stitch. Increase number 6. 1, 2. Increase number 7. 1, and the second one into the same stitch. Increase number 8. 1, 2. Increase number 9. 1, 2. Increase number 10. 1, 2 into the same stitch. 11. And the second one. And the last increase, which is number 12. 1, and the second half double crochet into the same stitch. The second round is ready. I'll cut the ivory thread, leaving a long tail for embroidery. Now the third round, again I'll make 12 increases in a round. That's why I'll crochet a half double crochet followed by an increase 12 times. So a half double crochet and the first increase. 1 and 2 into the same stitch. A half double crochet again. And the second increase. 1, 2 into the same stitch. A half double crochet. An increase. 1, 2. A half double crochet. and increase 1, 2, a half double crochet, and increase 1, 2, a half double crochet again, and increase again 1, 2, a half double crochet, and increase 1, 2 into the same stitch, a half double crochet, and increase 1 and 2 into the same stitch, a half double crochet, and increase 1, 2, a half double crochet, and increase 1, 2, a half double crochet, and increase 1, 2 into the same stitch, and the last time a half double crochet, and the final increase for the round 1 and the second half double crochet into the same stitch. So the round is ready, and you should have 36 stitches in total. We continue expanding the detail. We need to crochet one more round with increases, but this time I'll make 6 increases, not 12, so I'll crochet 5 half double crochets followed by an increase 6 times. So first 5 half double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and an increase 1 and the second one into the same stitch. Now again 5 half double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the second increase, 1 and the second one into the same stitch, 5 half double crochets again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and increase again, 1 and the second half double crochet into the same stitch, 5 half double crochets again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and an increase, 1 and 2 into the same stitch, 5 half double crochets again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now one more increase, 1 and 2 into the same stitch, 5 half double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and increase 1 and 2 into the same stitch. So the round is ready, and here I want to change the color again, but I'm not going to change it as usual. I need a flat edge here, so I'll make a single crochet and then a slip stitch. Now I'll cut the thread and pull it through the loop to fasten. So now I'm going to attach a brown color. And I'll make a chain to start. Now I'll crochet a single crochet in each stitch around, and I'll fasten the tails in the process. So you don't need to make any increases or decreases, just crochet a single crochet in each stitch around. I will skip a bit and meet you when the round is ready. I've already finished the round. Now I'll cut these tails. And I also cut the brown yarn and pull it through the loops to fasten. Now I'll use a needle to connect the edges. And I'll fasten the thread. The first part of our Kiwi slice is ready. You need to crochet the second one following the same pattern. But when you finish crocheting it, don't cut the brown thread. We will use it when connecting the parts together. Now I'll show you how to embroider the seeds. First of all, we insert this ivory tail into the needle and get to the front part of the slice. Now I'll just embroider some lines using this color. You can make the lines of the same length or a different one. Now I'll fasten the thread and cut it. There is no need to weave it in because we are going to hide all the tails between the two parts of the kiwi. Now insert a piece of a black yarn into the needle and we'll embroider the seeds in a similar way we embroidered the lines. I'll fasten the thread again. The two parts are ready, now we need just to connect them. Now I'll just fasten off and weave in all the yarn tails. Your Kiwi slice is ready. Now just attach a keychain basis. That's it. Hope you enjoyed crocheting with me. Thanks for watching and thank you so much for likes and comments. See you!